Just start talking. Just suspicious. Sunday.
God.
You have a lighter.
I do.
Oh. I'm trying to start my fucking video collection. I don't know why. Right. I haven't chewed my teeth in a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah, I figured I'd braid them or get some thread.
Or use Nair.
And then I'm gonna like, yeah, thread. Imagine having pube hair long enough to create threads with that shit. You'd be like, keychain. You can put a chastity belt on and have the key tied to it.
Yeah.
You play tucker rope. Floss after you're done. Oh shit.